All right, I'm the flatratemaster, and today we're talking about why are they making cars so hard to service? I mean, come on, Volvo. You got to tear the whole front end off just to get to the oil filter? Come on, what's up with that? Actually, took the front end off to do the condenser because it's got an AC complaint. I thought it was funny as I'm doing a condenser on this that it was easy to get to the oil filter with the front end off, because if you've ever worked on this generation of Volvos, you know that oil filter sucks. This is in the way, this plastic coolant line is in the way, and dipstick is in the way, and it sucks. But I've got an oil change on this, so I will definitely be doing that before I put the front end back on. Side note, service information actually says to take and drop the whole radiator and condenser assembly out through the bottom. Yeah, no. I had the front end off in like 30 minutes, had the condenser changed in another 15 minutes. Now this condenser pays 3.8 hours, and I'll probably have, by the time I'm completely done with it, maybe 2.5 hours in it. So, but funny little video for today. So thanks for watching. I am the flatratemaster.